how to fix CapCut no internet on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix CapCut no internet on Android phone. First, just open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and you just type WhatsApp and CapCut, and then click on it. And now first click here for stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, and after that just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, and then go to data usage and check this one, mobile data, and then allow it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.